how to be in my class. So first you want to go to the search bar and type Class Dojo. Then you want to install. I'm going to speed this up. Bro, this is taking forever. Okay, we're in Class Dojo right now. So now, you're gonna press I'm a student. Then, I don't know if your device does this, but I'm just gonna do this. Then just say or enter code, and I'll give you the code. Here is the code so you guys can join. Bye. You're welcome.